I'm not really a depth person or anything, all right?
Yeah.
Because like, so if there's enough action, I'm like, okay, cool. I can overlook. There's no depth to this, but because
Yeah.
obviously it's a TV movie, there's not much action or anything,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
the action scenes are quite like below TV quality.
Now, for example, if you were saying he was super soldier Captain America,
Hmm.
enhanced superhuman, I want to say NCU style, but at least above the average human
Yeah,
capabilities, or about above peak human. Batman in the Snyderverse is meant to be peak human.
yeah, yeah,
No, he's low level superhuman
yeah,
actually.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah. But in Batman in the comics, I would say is
Peak.
supposedly peak human, but
Yeah.
peak human, you still won't be able to do some of that stuff that
No,
you are doing.
he's
In,
peak human in a DC universe, which
yeah,
is sub-level superhuman. But yeah,
yeah. Yeah, so if they had the fights here with Captain America, or even in the 994 serial where he was powered by something, right? You could do them with haymakers or whatever, and
yeah,
people go flying, and then that's it. You don't need to do a fight scene on a low budget that doesn't really work. You know, you
yeah.
just take a big hit from a guy,